है. Why she hated the way she was created. Why she pushed back, believed that it was all cracked. Why she stopped. All she saw was the road that was blocked. Gone deep into her insecurities, dealing with people and their maturities. Feeling a lot outside, shouting much more inside. Deep down, with her invisible scars, she cried. This is a story of a teenage girl who was so shy, but she really don't know why. Expressing things was difficult for her, and sometimes her memory goes a little blur. She was really bad at remembering faces, not the one with fancy clothes, neither with their expensive cases. Dominating people makes her feel paranoid, as if everything around her was a world. She was so conscious about everything she did, as it affects a lot how you got treated as a kid. Those sugar coated harsh laughs, it usually disbalances life's graph. She was walking home from tuition one day, felt like someone was following her on the way. No, it was not in the night. All this happened in the bright sunlight. No, she was not even wearing attractive bright. It was the kurta in plain white. No, there was no makeup to provoke. Oil in her hair was fully soaked. She was increasing her pace with each tick of her cloak, and slowly, her patience broke. She got scared and started running fast, but it seemed like someone was so close and she can hear ranting of her own heart. She don't know whether it was a killer or some monster coming behind against her will. She then tried to breathe, and in a moment she stopped and stand still. When she turned back, she saw someone big with black shirt and black pant. She was still standing there and wondered what he want. He was nothing like a monster, just a normal man, not even a mobster. As he came close, a freezing wave crossed her mind, and then she froze. What comes next was so sad. How can a person be so bad? He tried to show some male ego, not through emotions but with physical lingo. She was standing there still with no words and her shivering will. She wants to slap him and shout, thinking again and again, is this real or is all our world about? Running was the only option left out. Then luckily one lady came out from the house. Watching the lady, that man worried a little and turned around, but she didn't have the courage to speak. She felt so bad about herself as she was so emotionally weak. She returned home pretending that everything was okay and nothing went wrong. She straightaway went to washroom, stand in front of the mirror and cried. She cursed herself that she would have hit him or at least replied. Then she wondered if it was her mistake or was it a serious call for her to wake. She decided not to tell her parents about it as it was disgusting and she can't even tell them a bit. She was afraid maybe if that happened again all day and night, only that incident was flashing in her brain. Her life was not a game. It was not anymore sane. This incident asked aloud who was the one to blame, that innocent girl who was unaware of the harsh part of the world, or our society who encourage eve teasing by blaming the victim grieving, or maybe parenting skills where one cannot express clear because of the roaring fear. These things generally are suppressed maybe because of the way these incidents are expressed. Now her blurred memory will always be clear, that face she will never forget even if she can't bear. This small incident stole her innocence as now she doubts every stare. Maybe we all need to change. Listen to these little stories will not make it strange. We need to understand the reality. That's how we can change the sick mentality. Thank you.